Welcome to today's unboxing video. Thanks for stopping by. Please kindly watch to the end. Thank you. Here is a magic ironing shoe. Okay, this is how it looks. Teflon.
Anybody wear one for you?
This is the iron stand where you place your iron, like so.
Like the wall of Jericho. They don't know, they don't know. Anybody wear one for you?
Okay, here is the hose. Yes, the hose for the water tank. And then, ooh, man, this is very heavy. So let's quickly start with the placement. This goes in here. Look at the iron. So you can't use this part to iron clothes because this part is meant to be protected by the use of this. So it's this way, like this. Then you iron with this point, and then you can cleanse this one easily. Okay, so this will be this way. All right, this will be like this. Each time you use the iron, it will be this way on this stand. All right, so let's quickly move on to this. Here is the water tank, okay, and here is the hose. This water tank, when you put water here now, this is the minimum water level. So all right, you see this point, you're going to remove this one like so. This is where the hose, this hose would go into. All right, like so. Just add it up to this, and then clip. See this upper side, you go this way, like open it a little, down a little too.
Anybody wear one for you?
Then it's, after you have put it like this. So with the help of a nail, I have hung this on the wall, and then so this will help the easy flow of water into the iron. So here is the extra excited me trying out the iron. Trust me guys, this iron is the real deal for you as a fashion designer or a dry cleaner. So if you have watched to this point and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you for always encouraging me. I do not take that for granted. I love you all, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.
Like the wall of Jericho. They don't know.